What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. On the show today, we're going to take a look at this box of stuff that I got from Aieve. I love it when I get a box of little gadgets, and today we have some really fun stuff, including some pop tops that go on top of mason jars. I'm excited to take a look at that because you can turn your mason jar into a sipper, right? Some other cool stuff in there from them, and I want to get this stuff out of the box. So it's Wednesday. We got a box of fun stuff, so let's do this. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Aieve for sending this stuff over. When I saw this stuff, I was really excited because I love little gadgets and there are some really cool things in this box. So let's take a look at what we have here. Sweet! So we got some fun stuff here. So let's take a look. The very first thing they sent over was this flip cap lid for a mason jar. I thought that was really cool because I love drinking out of mason jars. Plus you can put sauces and stuff in there. And with the flip top, you don't have to always remove the cap. All you gotta do is flip the top to get your stuff out of there. So let's take a look at this. This is really cool. Awesome. So what these are, it's BPA-free, leak-proof, fashion design with a silicone gasket, provides a secure seal to leak-proof. It fits wide mouth mason jars. Cool. I love this. Whoa! Whoa, there's a couple of them in here. So this is how they look, and they have a silicone gasket in here that keeps the seal on it. These are pretty cool, guys. So you pop the top on your mason jar, and it gives you a little pour spout. It also has a little lid, handle to carry them. These are cool. So we're gonna get a mason jar out and try these babies. So we have a lot of holidays coming up, and I'm getting ready to make a tablescape and a buffet for the holidays, and I really wanted to use these for my tablescape. These are basically place card holders to use on your table. So you can make little place cards for people to sit at, or you can make place cards with the name of the dish and put these next to each dish so people know what's in there. And they can also be used particularly if you have people that have allergies, like me, right? So let's take wow. This is a set of 24. Awesome, look at that. I have been wanting some of these. So thank you for your support. What's great about this company is they are a small business. And here are our place card holders. These are sweet. I love it. So you can use these for each place setting. This is a lot. So there's enough here to do all your place settings as well as have labels for all your dishes, because there's 24 of these bad boys in here. This is really awesome. There's plenty for all your table settings and all your dishes. So I don't have a card right now, but I can use one of these. You just stick these in here just like this with the label on it, and that goes right at your place setting. Oh my gosh, these are really cool. I love it. You can have the person's name, you can have the name of the dish. You could actually use these in a lot of different kind of applications, but one thing I can tell you is they're great for the upcoming holidays. So this is a Aieve. It's called the table photo holder, but they're place card holders for your table. Let's see, what do we have next in here? Sweet. So these are skimmers. I absolutely love these skimmers. I use skimmers all the time. Nice. So this is a set of 3. And we have our larger one. Nice. I love it. We have a medium size. Really, really nice. And we have the smallest one. Let me tell you about skimmers. I use skimmers constantly. I use them to skim soup, but I also use them if I'm frying something. I use them to get poached eggs out of the water. I mean, I would say there's a lot of things in your kitchen that are essential tools, and skimmers are that, definitely. So this is a really cool 3 skimmer set. Stainless steel and perfect for skimming grease from soup, stocks, or gravies. And yeah, I love these things. These are awesome. These are going to come in really handy. If you're looking for something for that, this is a great set. They're nice and sturdy. Yeah, I like those. The last thing is this. It is called the Landmu holder for your Kitchenaid Mixer Attachments. One of the things is a lot of people have trouble storing their Kitchenaid attachments. They get everywhere, and then when you want to use them, you can't find them. What's great about this is these are little hooks that hold your Kitchenaid attachments, and you can install these hooks under your cabinet. So you can install them right under here, and your attachments will hang there. And what's great about them is they have a notch in them that's similar to how it goes on to your mixer. So let me get this open. So let's see. It has screws. You can also attach it using, it says you can attach it with the screws or double-sided adhesive. These are pretty cool. So let's look at the directions, just show you how to install them. And it gives you information about their company and where you can find them on social media. Also give you some screws. And here is the thing. So you install this underneath your cabinet so it hangs underneath your counter. You can hang them just like that. This isn't like getting a hook and you put the hook here and you risk damaging, particularly these ones that are coated that are good for the dishwasher. You can risk chipping these. So in this you get 4. So the way these go is you just attach this just like on your Kitchenaid mixer, just like that, right? Cool, these are awesome. So this is a set of 4 holders for Kitchenaid mixer attachments from Landmu. So we're going to try out the pop top mason jar lid. I have a wide mouth mason jar with a little bit of ice. We have some lemonade here. I got strawberry lemonade. You definitely can use homemade, which would be even better. We're going to pour this into our mason jar. Oh my gosh, and I'm so thirsty too. I'm ready for a nice drink. We're going to go ahead and put this on here. Sweet. Tighten it down. So I got the lid on here and we're going to go ahead. Sweet. There's no leaking. That's awesome. So we have our pop top. Awesome. And you can carry it just like this. So if you're out at a picnic or something, this is cool. I love this. And I love drinking out of mason jars. So we'll just pop the top and have us a little drink. I'm thirsty. pop it back. There we go. These are cool. I really like them. Awesome. So the Aieve flip cap lid. These are cool for mason jars, for wide mouth mason jars. I love this. It's cute. I need another drink. Delicious. Sweet. So cooks, I hope you're having a great Wednesday. I'll put links to all this down in the description. The mason jar flip top lids, the table card holders, the Kitchenaid hooks, as well as the skimmers. I think you'll enjoy all these products. I'll also put a link to their storefront because they have a lot of different products, and it's really fun to look at everything that they have. So Aieve, thank you for sending these. I'm going to really enjoy. We're actually going on vacation, so I'm going to take this pop top mason jar lid with me so I can have it in the car, and because I love drinking out of mason jars, and this will be great for in the car. So thank you, and links will be down in the description. So cooks, what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you enjoyed these products. They're awesome. Summer's coming up, spring, summer, and I'm looking forward to it because I'm tired of the cold weather. I'm ready to get out there and barbecue and have a good time. So leave a comment down below. Give me a like, and also visit my website, amylearnstocook.com. And don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot of great stuff coming up this spring and summer. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I have a really awesome Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Happy Wednesday.